Hi everybody, this is me, Jeremiah. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a fruit coffee smoothie. The first thing you got to do is brew the coffee. These are the central things that you need to make this fruit coffee smoothie. The first thing you need, of course, is coffee. And then some kind of fruits or vegetables, frozen or fresh, it's up to you. Yogurt, if you're not allergic to it, if you want that in. Of course, ice, a blending cup. You can use breakfast essential or any other powder thing you're interested. You can use the flavor of chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry for your smoothie. The first thing you like to put into your cup is ice. You can put as much as you like to have. Another thing you need to have is your fruits. Now don't put much of this because you don't want to be too thick. Of course, you would want to have some yogurt. If you have a Ninja, use your blending thing right there and let's now blend. Grab it, place it in your blender, turn it on, and now you know how to make this fruit coffee smoothie. Now, let me try it out and let you know how I think. Delicious. And if you'd like to know how to continue making more ideas of that, please comment below. Hit the like button if you like the idea of this. If you don't, put the dislike button if you'd rather. Also, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to get more content like this. And of course, we do our videos from now on every first and third Friday of every week. So, I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.